Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in my studio I have this nice looking cases from the brand i-Blason. So let's review them one by one. The first on the list is the most popular Ares case. With this case we can show off our gorgeous iPhone 13. Yeah, it's a kinda clear case, but it offers full body protection. One great thing, it has raised edges around the camera which protects it very well. The design of this case is pretty impressive with a clear back, bumper corners and built-in screen protector. Along with this, charging port and silence key port are covered and easily accessible. i-Blason claims that this case is dust, dirt, drop and scratch resistant. And by looking at this design, it feels like yes, it is. Not only this, but this Ares case is CNET certified and drop tested at 20 feet. Amazing! Like, I can drop my iPhone as many times I want. With these all great qualities, there are few things that I would like to share with you. This case acts as a magnet for the fingerprints. And I feel this case is a little bit bulky and heavy, but I can buy that because it gives great protection to my iPhone compared to other cases. At the price of $26, this case has 4 different colors to offer: blue that I already have, black, pink and red. Now let's talk about next case, which has a built-in screen protector and also nice looking, and that is i-Blason Cosmo Classic Case. This is a fully decorated case with a built-in screen protector and eliminates the bumper if we compare with Ares case. This case is signature of i-Blason with a glossy marble print and a gold accent. The case has a hard shell impact resistant TPU, raised bezel around the screen and camera that gives a great protection to our iPhone. The classic case has drop tested for 10 feet and it survived. Another great thing that I have noticed in this case is that it won't fade or discolor with use. And this thing is missing in some other cases that disappoint us, but not with the i-Blason. At the price of $26, this case comes in 5 different colors: ocean blue that I have, marble pink, pink fly, marble purple and blue fly. Now I have 2 more case. One is a wallet case and another one is with ring holder. Both cases have the same build quality. They are made from the shock absorbing TPU material that helps to protect our iPhone from daily wear and tear. Like the classic one, they have a nice glossy finish at the back and it won't fade or discolor over time. These cases do not have a built-in screen protector but have raised edges around the screen so it can protect the iPhone screen from a scratch and sudden drops. The wallet case can house 2 cards at a time and has a neat thumb hole to push the cards to pick from. And the classic snap case has a ring at the back that helps to hold our iPhone perfectly and can also act as a kickstand to watch movies or great videos from iGeeks blog. I hope you guys are watching every video that I'm publishing on iGeeks blog channel. If you're not, then what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button, turn on all the notifications so you won't miss any video that I publish on this channel. Let's come back to the case and talk about the price of these cases. Both Cosmo Wallet and Snap cases are priced at $25 and offer 3 different colors to pick from. Now let me talk about the 2 common things that every case has. The first one is 1-year warranty and the second one is every case is supporting wireless charging, but they are not compatible with the MagSafe wireless charging. Now let's come to a conclusion. Should you buy this case or not? And I would say, if you are dropping your iPhone often, then yes, you should buy this one. And if you love to watch movies on your iPhone, then you should buy this one. And if you always forget to carry your wallet, then yes, you should buy this one. And don't worry, you don't need to Google for these cases just because I have linked them all in the description down below for your ease. And with that, we have reached to the end of this video. But let me tell you one more thing. To like this video, share this video and subscribe to my iGeeks blog channel. Along with that, download our all new iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.